Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to compare two of the newest products from Intel. The Core i7-13700K and the Core i9-13900K Siemens. Both are powerful CPUs, but which one is better? Stay tuned to find out, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. The Core i7-13700K is priced at $417, whereas the Core i9-13900K Siemens has not been released yet, and its price is still unknown. The Core i9-13900K Siemens has 24 cores, 8 P cores plus 16 E cores, and 32 threads, while the Core i7-13700K has 16 cores, 8 P cores plus 8 E cores, and 24 threads. The Core i9-13900K Siemens has a maximum clock speed of 6.0 GHz, while the Core i7-13700K has a maximum clock speed of 5.4 GHz. The Core i9-13900K Siemens has 36 M cache, while the Core i7-13700K has 30 M cache. Both processors have the same integrated Intel UHD graphics 770. Both processors are compatible with Intel 600 series and 700 series chipset-based motherboards. Both processors support Turbo Boost Max Technology 3.0, PCIe 5.0 and 4.0, and Intel Optane memory. So which one is better? It depends on your specific needs and budget. The Core i9-13900K Siemens is expected to have better overall performance, but it may also come with a higher price tag. The Core i7-13700K is a great option for those who are looking for a powerful CPU at a more affordable price. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.